First, make sure you're signed in to the PlayStation Network account that has your PlayStation Plus subscription. Once you're on the home screen, open Settings. Next, scroll down and select Users and Accounts. Wait for the account settings to load, then move over to Payment and Subscriptions. From there, select Subscriptions. You'll see your PlayStation Plus membership listed here. Open it, then choose Cancel Subscription. At this point, PlayStation may offer you a discounted deal to keep your subscription active. If you still want to turn off auto renewal, simply select Cancel Subscription again. Before confirming, you'll see the date your PlayStation Plus benefits will remain active until. If you're sure you want to continue, select Confirm Cancellation. You may also be asked to choose a reason for canceling. Just select one and press Continue. That's it. Auto renewal will be turned off, but you'll still be able to enjoy all your PlayStation Plus benefits until your current subscription expires. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.